Okay, pulling my rod out of the locker and Eric's got a fish on already.
Just came out of nowhere off point.
There we go. Wicked! There you go.
Sweet.
Hope I'm recording.
Yep.
Yep.
Blinking red. Chunky.
Good job.
Let him go?
Yep. Hello from Northern Ontario. I'm up here in the Elliot Lake area once again. I had the pleasure of exploring this region last year and partnering with the city of Elliot Lake. They invited us back once again this year, so I'm here for the weekend out aboard my boat. I've got Eric with me. We have our dog Blitz, and we're on a lake today called Quirke Lake. There's a number of species here. There's smallmouth bass, lake trout, walleye, northern pike. When I was setting up my cameras and getting ready, Eric was fishing and he already got into some smallmouth. So I think it's going to be a great day and we're looking forward to bringing you guys along.
Right there. You're on him, you're on him, you're on him. You're on him.
I got him. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a good fish.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
And I'm going.
Wow.
Oh, it's a big smallie.
It's big.
welcome to Quirke Lake.
Yeah, that was a warm welcome. Oh, stunning. Wow. The fact that it didn't jump was great. Look at that. This is how our day is starting here. We love it up here and it's a beautiful area, but there's fish like this and there's gonna be more to come today for sure. Sending her back here. There. Whoops, I think I shut my video off. Oh well. Wicked! We're both dropping down to them. There we go. Little guy. There you go. We are both throwing a drop shot. I think we've even got the same bait on. Same color. Which is the Z-Man trick shots. I think this is bad shad color, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I just got smacked. There we go. A little bigger than the last guy. It's crazy how clear this lake is. You can see the fish so far down. There, it's going back. Whoa. Good? Any pliers? No? Cool. Wow, that's freaking beautiful. Woo! Little windy.
Better.
Yeah, this one feels better. Look, Blitz. Fish. It's a smallie. Scrappy little guy. There's a fish. Little guy. Well, we got a healthy population, that's for sure. I got a fish. Oh! Microfish. Wow, it's crazy.
It's a big fish.
Really?
A fish got me out. No, I got a big fish.
Oh my gosh, you thought it was caught, or maybe it was at first?
It's a big fish.
Oh, okay, take your time, I'll get this unhooked. Let this little guy go.
I don't know what was going on at first. I was trying to shake it off.
Well, I'm glad you didn't. Wow. Good job.
There we go. Very nice smallie. I snagged on bottom, and he actually got me out of the snag.
Whoa, I got a fish on me. Got it. It chased me. Could see it on live scope when I was dropping. There we go. Another little guy. Boat snacks are key, right?
Try it right there, try it right there.
Get it. You spotted it, you get it. It's right behind that big boulder. Oh, you're right in the zone.
He's in front of it. There he is.
Over here? Yeah, they're fast.
He's on you.
Okay.
Got it.
Got it. Oh gosh.
Big head shakes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. And it's right at the... Whoa! I think it's a little smaller than the other one. Nice fish though. Gorgeous. That one definitely jumped a couple times there. Nice, thank you. Perfect. These fish are stunning. This one's a little darker. There you go. Ooh.
I'm like, why is it not dropping? Got a whole mess of these today.
Beauties. Got one. Yep. There. Haven't seen it yet, but it's pulling drag. Nice. Fish after fish after fish. There we go. Hook just fell out. Just so many fish. Okay, let's cast at the same time. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see it. Oh yeah, yours is bigger. Yep, bigger.
How big is this school?
Huge.
Got him. Big one.
Got a good one?
Big one.
Okay. There you go.
Better than the average we were getting back at the every cast hole.
Yeah, forever. That was wild. Tucked out of the wind a little bit. Still stacked with fish. Whoa! Something hit me on my way in. Guess what it is? Fast number 500. Double header. That's happened a lot. Whose is bigger? Yours. It's just like our last trip to Flack. We caught so many. Wow, it's so peaceful now. We are back on land. The boat is all loaded up and we're gonna go grab some dinner. Much like our last trip to Elliot Lake area, we caught so many fish today. It was a fun day. What do you think, Eric?
Yeah,
there he is. It was crazy. It was crazy. We caught so many smallmouth. The wind picked up a bit, but we were on such a beautiful lake, just kind of tucked into different areas and did lots of exploring. And we are looking forward to tomorrow checking out another brand new lake. So we're headed back to Hampton Inn now. Gonna grab some dinner nearby, get a good night's sleep, and get back out again tomorrow.